If I want to have absolute trust and faith in God that I am going to be 100% fine, well, I have neighbors that aren't fine. Unfortunately, we know that there have been many soldiers that have died. Terrorists have killed in Israel over the years. People die. People are killed. Bad people win and good people lose sometimes. So that's a contradiction. If I have to have 100% faith in God, well, what about all the people that Hashem didn't save? So how do I face these fears? So the answer is this: real faith and real trust is even though I don't know. It's even though the other guy didn't survive. It's despite that. Because trust and faith is not a guarantee. Trust and faith doesn't mean I know. It means I'm holding on to Hashem. I'm holding on to God, and I'm putting myself totally in His hands. If I trust 100% in God, that's what I know. I know that Hashem is 100% with me, 100% for me. And I know that Hashem is Kol Yachol, and Hashem can do and does any and everything. That's 100% faith and 100% trust. Am I saying I know what's going to happen tomorrow? No. Am I answering why He didn't help the guy next to the left of me or to the guy to the right of me? No. Am I saying that I know that there's a guarantee that bullets can't touch me? No. I trust that God will take care of me. And I trust that God will never do anything bad to me. And therefore, when it comes to trust, I trust 100% that He will save me.